Hi friends, today I will be teaching how you can create interactive worksheets for your children by using live worksheets. Open your browser, go to Google and type liveworksheets.com. Click on liveworksheets.com. This is how the interface of live worksheet look. If you don't have an account, it is okay. You can click on interactive worksheets if you want ready-made worksheets for your children. Here you will find many worksheets available for your children. Whatever worksheets you want, you can choose and you can make your child to complete. Say for example, I have chosen one worksheet. Let me try this. Here in this worksheet, we have to drag and drop. Now you can drag the number names to the numbers. So I can see here 6. I will drag 6 to my numeral 6. Next 14. So I will drag 14. Like this I will complete my worksheet. Say I have completed my worksheet. I have left some blanks. After completing the worksheet, you have to click on finish. Once you click on finish, you can check your answers. When you click check your answer, for whatever correct you have got, it will show in green, and whatever wrong you have got, it will show in red, and it is going to display your marks here. So when you ask your children to complete the worksheets, and when they completed and they see their marks on spot, they will feel very happy to do the worksheets. Whichever worksheets you select, the description of the worksheets will be given over here. See for example, numbers 1 to 10. Here they have already clearly mentioned the level is 3 to 4, age 7 to 10, content is numbers. So you will get an idea of what kind of worksheet it is. If you want some other worksheets based on other subjects, you can click your topic over here. Suppose I click biology, I will get worksheets related to biology. So depending on your class and section, you can choose the worksheets and you can easily help your children to complete these worksheets so that they will improve themselves in their academics. Suppose you want to create your own worksheet, you can do that. How you can make your interactive worksheet? Click on make interactive worksheet, click get started. If you do not have a username and password, you have to click on register and you have to register yourself. I already have created, so I will just click enter. You will get a page like this. Here you have to choose a file. I have already typed a word for demo, so I will be choosing what document I want to create from. I have already made a Word document saying live worksheets demo, so I am choosing that file and I will say upload. Once I click on upload, I will be getting my worksheet which I have already made for demo. So what it will look like this. So now I have chosen the first question as match. So if I want to match, here I have to draw a box over this picture and I have to write here join. Say I will give the number as 1. This is a picture of a rabbit. It has to match with this. So I have to draw a box on the word rabbit and I have to say here also join :1. Now next one, tiger. I have to draw a box on the tiger and I will say join : 2. Here also on the tiger I will say join colon 2, because I want to match rabbit to the word rabbit and the tiger picture to the word tiger. Next question is fill in the blanks. I have dash hands. I have given the option 1 or 2. So I am going to draw here a box and I will write the correct answer inside the box. I have 2 hands. Next, drag and drop. I have to drag the correct word to the picture. So I will draw a box here and I will draw a box beside the tree and beside the ball. Now I will draw a box over on the word tree and ball. So I will say for tree, drag colon 1. I want it to be placed over here. So I will go to this box and I will say drop colon 1. Now for the ball I will say drag colon 2. I want it to be placed over here in this box. I'll say drag drop colon 2. Next question is find words. This is a crossword puzzle. For this puzzle I have to draw a box like this. After drawing the box, adjust the box accordingly and then click on the box and write here word search. When you write word search, it will ask you how many rows and how many columns it's having. So I will say it's having 4 rows and 5 columns and say save. Now CNET, net, JUG, jug, KIT, kit, HUT, hut. I will highlight all the answers and I will, after I have finished the worksheet, I will say save. Here it is showing me an error, so I will just go and change this. It's going to, if there is any mistake you can change it, then say save. It is finished saving. Now it is telling whether I want to share it with the other teachers also or I want to keep it private. I will say I will keep it as private. It is asking here to enter your worksheet name. I will write it as demo and I will say save. After finishing, click on my worksheets. It will show the worksheets which you have done so far. So let me choose the demo worksheet. I will double click on the worksheet demo. It is going to open. You can share the link of this worksheet through WhatsApp or you can copy the link and you can share it to your students or you can share it to anyone whom you want the worksheet to be done. If you want to do the worksheet, see for example I am matching it here, tiger. If you want your child to do the worksheet, you can ask them also to do this worksheet like this. So I am filling the answers. Here I am dragging and dropping ball and find the words in. 。 I will say submit now. Finish. So it's asking me to check my answer. I will click on check my answer. So I have done a mistake in the word puzzle, so it's showing in red. And where if I say I've written one hand, so it is showing in red, so it's showing the marks. I have got 9 on 10. Like this you can ask your child to do the worksheets. Hope you have understood how you can create your worksheets on your own, as well as how you can complete the worksheets which are already present in the website. Thank you. If you want more tutorial on the worksheet, you can also click on make interactive worksheets. Here you have tutorial. They have given instructions for various kind of questions which you can prepare. For example, you have a check down box, listening exercise, word speaking exercise. You can create all these exercises, and you can make your child to do it. Also have video tutorial. If you click on video tutorial, you will find how you can take the classes. They will be explaining here how to create live worksheets. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.